Hello, this is Mr. Caton here to talk to you about video 1.3.1, using the area model with the product and the sum. So product and sum. So product means answer to a multiplication problem, and sum, it means answer to an addition problem. So we're going to look at the, basically to find the product, we're looking at length times width here. And this length is x, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X plus 6 is the length. And the width is, this is x long here plus 1 wide, because that area there is x times 1 gives us x. So we're going to get, for our product, we're going to have x plus 1 times x plus 6. That gives the area as a product. And the sum is adding, and that'll be equal to all those, is adding the areas inside. We have 1x squared. There's only one of them. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's. And then we have that plus 6 there. So there's, as a sum, an answer to an addition problem. So we can see this bottom one down here. It's x wide and 1 wide. And this is x wide here. So x times 1 gives us the area of x, which makes 6. 6 times 1 gives us an area of 6. And here we have 6 times x. And this is without drawing all these different rectangles. So once again, we have x plus 1 times x plus 6. That's the area as a product. And the sum will be the area inside that. So we're going to go ahead and we have an x squared. And we have 6x and 1x gives us 7x plus 6. So that's the same as the thing above, except they didn't draw these rectangles that are x tall by 1 wide. In here. We could have done that. We could have drawn, actually it would have been this way, 6 of them this way. There's 6, and this is x this way and 1 that way, and so we would have had 6. Yeah, we're not going to draw that, but anyways, it would have been the same kind of thing. This should have, if this was going to be 6 wide though, it should have been cut into 6 of those. Cool. So that is area. So for this problem, question number 1, I'd like you to go ahead and draw a rectangle like above here, except I'd like it to be x, 2x plus 1 by x plus 3. And so we should have 2 x's and 1x, and then 2x plus 1, so plus 1, and then plus 3. And now I can go ahead and draw that, and I can break it up into, so there's 2x plus 1 and x plus 3, and go ahead and write that area, fill out in the boxes inside and write the area as a sum inside, please. Have a great day. Bye.